Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing high-value AI skills that match demand. Pick 1 to 2 areas like prompt design or model fine-tuning. Once chosen, set a focused 30-day sprint with daily 1-2-hour, project-based practice so you build tangible work. Make sure to create at least 1 portfolio piece and 1 clear service offering you can sell. This gets you from theory to market quickly. You'll learn while you validate real buyer interest and adjust your approach. Once you have a portfolio piece, package your work into clear offerings: hourly support, fixed-price projects, and a subscription for ongoing AI maintenance. Then market where buyers are: freelance platforms, LinkedIn outreach, and niche communities, using concise case study messages. Make sure to automate repetitive tasks with templates, low-code tools, and simple billing so you spend time delivering rather than invoicing. This structure raises perceived value and scales your time. To finish, scale with SOPs and delegate repeatable steps to contractors or agents so you can focus on growth. Protect your income by using clear contracts, data use terms, and correct 1099 versus W-2 handling to avoid compliance issues. If a deliverable underperforms, first test prompts and inputs, then audit training data and model settings. If needed, revert to a reliable baseline and iterate. 1 key troubleshooting tip: when results drift, reproduce the exact failing case, fix the input, and rerun to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.